Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this towel rack. This is actually a great idea because this is a solid one-piece aluminum towel rack, so it's going to work great in any kind of damp locations, and being that it's one piece and everything is connected, it actually is a really solid product. In fact, all of the hooks on here, all 6 of them, are all solid bent aluminum hooks. They're not screwed in separate, and it's not a 3-piece unit. In addition to that, they actually do provide you with a felt piece that you can stick on the back. It's kind of a rubberized piece with a sticky back. They provide you with several pieces of this, so you can stick this onto the back of this so that it doesn't mark up your doors, which I think is really a novel idea because a lot of these cheap out by not putting this on there. And now that we've got that on there, they provide you with this strip, one here, and also one on the back side of this. You can now go ahead and stick this on there anywhere on your door, and you don't hear it banging around marking up your door. Then whenever you close your door, that is really solid and up there, and these will hold a lot of weight. In addition to that, you could easily hang any of your towels, wet or dry, because it's the aluminum hooks, and they will hang right on there on any of these hooks. You can hang also shower things on this as well. And this doesn't necessarily have to be used in a bathroom. You could use this in a laundry room, or you could use this anywhere where you've got some towels and a cute little saying to be able to put that. In addition to those, they also do send you with 4 of these other hooks, which are also pre-coated with these little J-style hooks that you can either use in addition to these on the same door, or you can use them on other doors so that you can hang other things on those as well. And that just gives you a lot of extra versatility and a nice little added bonus. Loving the fact that this is powder coated and everything is aluminum, and these additional bonus hooks are nice. This would work great in pretty much anyone's home.